I did went for my MacBook to check it, and they said I will need to fix it for 500 euros. And now I'm considering buying a new one or an iPad, I don't know. But that's, yeah, I have a problem with motherboard and Touch ID there. Time to speak a little. I don't know why, like, but randomly I just put the camera and I'm like, maybe this will be interesting to tell. So that's how I do it. I'm still quite shy to do it in front of people. Kinda. Maybe it will get better soon. But what I wanted to talk about, first, one more thing I'm buying. I will not show everything what I'm buying, but this is a good must recommendation. Because this is a lip sleeping mask, and I had this in Latvia. My bestie from Latvia bought it to me, gifted to me because she also had it. It was we had a pink one. I don't remember the taste, the smell, but it was pink, and it was so good. And here it's a Korean brand, Korean product, and here it's also like it's really popular in Korea too, as I understood, #1 something. So I decided to buy, and this one is with gummy bear smell. It smells actually so good. I wish you could smell it. It goes with a spoon or something, and it's like very creamy. Yeah, it's like a very nice texture, and I bought it here. It's not that cheap, I would say, but you use it for a long time quite. So it's really nice, and the lips with this are really nice. So I suggest you, if you want something for your lips, like a sleeping mask, this is what you need to buy. But other thing, what I wanted to say, I don't know, randomly, I were thinking, is first that I'm kind of trying to check how much money I spend here and on everything, to let you know, and at some point, maybe not that soon, but at some point to share, because my followers, no, my friends, ask me to share how much money I spend here, and I'm trying to like check it and see. So I might do that later in some other video and share with that later. Stay tuned, follow my channel. No, okay, do whatever you want. And the other thing I was thinking, that I'm actually, today's 22nd of September, so today is exactly while I'm a month here in Korea, because I came on 22nd of August. So yay, we celebrate. So that's really nice. For now, I'm really happy that I'm here, and I love everything. Like, actually, I love food, I love people, exchange students and Korean people. I love everything. Like, it's really nice. I'm really happy that I'm here. I'm really genuinely happy that I'm here. So yeah, I think you might see that. I don't know, but I'm very happy that I'm here. How many times I said that, but if you didn't get, I'm happy. And yeah, about friends, it's actually interesting, because I would say like few first weeks I was talking more to exchange students, and I still kind of do, but still, like last 2 weeks I started speaking also with a lot of Korean people, and even like got kind of closer with some Korean people in a good way. And I'm really happy about this, because yeah, it's like also nice to be friends with Korean people, to get to know better them, culture also, and everything. It's very nice. I'm really happy again. People who I meet here, and people who I'm talking to here. So yeah, in case you're watching this and you're friends with me here, sending love. In case we're not, sending you love still. Love to everyone. But yeah, that's kind of it. I don't know what else I wanted to say here, but yeah, I'm kind of delayed with the last week's vlog. I didn't have any time at all to edit it, because I was thinking I will edit it from my laptop. My laptop died, and I was hoping it will be fine, but then I got busy and my laptop wasn't working, so now I need to do it from my phone. So yeah, I don't know when. New week is already here. I still didn't upload my vlog, which is okay. I do whatever I want with my channel, right? But maybe today, I think I will start editing now, and maybe like I will upload it quite soon. But yeah, whenever you watch this, I hope your day is going good, or will be good, or yeah, I hope it's good.
Strong, right?
Yeah.
난 더 안 할래.
As long as it can hold all of the game pieces. The board consists of 4 straight lines and 2
It's okay, we can go to Jeju.
Oh my god, you guys? Oh my god. You guys?
Yeah, in the back, in the back. Yeah, here.
Are you virtual?
We are. What are these fucking skills?
Do you post? I'm Hwahong.
We're the international
I'm there.
ones.
Oh, okay. Bye bye. By my dorm.
We put like some fruits inside with some ice. What should I do like this?
Yeah. Nice.
We are in the vlog.
Now you're.
Yeah. Heilbronn has every place, every store in Heilbronn is a dinner place in the.
I learned from the best.
Ah, so close, so close. Okay.
날 따라해봐요.
So a little explanation of my videos from yesterday. Thursday and Friday we had a festival at our university. It's like very common in Korea. In every university, every semester they have festivals, and they invite Korean singers, dancers, and also there were like freshmen, and yeah, it just like a lot of performances going on there. And it's actually really nice. And in Seoul there are two universities, I don't remember the names, but they even compete with each other, which festival is better in their university. And sometimes they invite like crazy popular singers, like popular like worldwide. But also yesterday we had like I don't know anyone, like I'm not into K-pop, just to say, so I don't know anyone. But there was this girl BIBI who is kind of popular, as I understood, and she was really cool. And there was another guy, I don't remember the name, but it was, in general, it was really cool. I expected these 2 days differently, to be honest, but I'm still happy how it went. It was really nice. We had this food court, and it was very cool vibes, because also like in Korea they don't have this like terrace vibe, like, you know, when it's a good weather to sit outside and eat outside. And I think in Europe it's so common, like in every country, if it's a good weather, you need to sit, like you want to sit outside and enjoy this weather, enjoy the sun and everything. And here it's mostly like, because most of the restaurants are inside of the buildings, like on the second, third floor, and etc. And they have like a small street, so they don't like usually put this at least like I saw some places, but not that many comparing to like European places, I would say. And it was so nice because we had this food court and they put these tables outside and we were just sitting outside, and it was like really nice vibe, I would say. And yeah, there were like these small shops with like some, I don't know, like keychains, t-shirts, like everything. I even bought some. I bought this, like this is like the main guy of our university. Very good for my bag. And also this gave us for free, it's like, how to say, okay, I don't know how to say that, keyboard thing. And yeah, all these festivals are for free, which is very cool. Like, it's actually very cool. And yeah, it was very nice to see how it's going. And even like all performance, even if I'm not listening to K-pop or I'm not into that, it was still nice. All the dancers and dances are good, and singing, so it was really cool. They even made a dating thing there, of course, because because in Korea most of the people are dating here, so they even were matchmaking people who were on that festival. That was funny. And yeah, now today we will go to Seoul, and because today we have a really big fireworks there. It's like, as I understood, one of the biggest fireworks, because 3 countries are participating there, and it should be like crazy fireworks. Yeah, I want to see that, even though I'm not a big fan of fireworks. Like, no, it's beautiful, but I just don't like the sound, and yeah, I don't think it's, sorry, something is flying here, and I don't think that's the best thing. I really like the drone show which we were. I hope they are still going on. I hope, and they should have, like, the last one will be maybe like also like kind of the biggest one, as I understood, as I heard. And maybe we'll go for this too. I would like to go because I really like the drone show. It's like, it's kind of like fireworks, but even better, because they're like some like picture and you see something, and also it's without sound, which is good. I'm a dog person, I have a dog, so I know what it is like when it's fireworks in the city. But I still want to see, of course, how it looks and what kind of big fireworks we will have. And before that, maybe we will go like to see something else, maybe more shopping because I want to buy still something. Yeah, that's kind of it.
I'm also getting those. I wanted to say that Korea is a very safe country, like very safe. And safe in terms of, like, for example, walking alone at night or even crimes and like everything. And one of the biggest reasons why is because there are like CCTV everywhere, like cameras everywhere. Like I was sitting in the park and there were like cameras there, and there also in many places like playgrounds, parks, like other places, there are like buttons which you can press in case of something happening, like I don't know, someone following you or something bad. And it's like it feels so safe here. Like I love this part of Korea so much. So I feel so good here that I can just walk alone at night. I'm talking about cameras, and they're like, you see the cameras here also. And that's like, I don't know, you just can feel safe mostly everywhere. And in case something is happening or you don't feel safe, it's mostly not because of Koreans. I'm studying at university where like quite also a lot of international people, and these are the people who might make you not feel comfortable, unfortunately. But Koreans are so chill, so polite, so I don't know, they just don't care about you, and in a good way. Especially after living in Barcelona, if you know if you know what is happening in Barcelona, you know what I mean. After living there, it feels like relief here. Like, I love this. Like, I understand that for me this is one of the most important things if I move to some other country, to feel safe and don't be scared of something in the country. So yeah, this is the park, a girl running, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, look at this. It's not even one camera, and yeah, CCTV. Like, this is crazy, and it's so many of them here.